So as time went on, my armrest that was there loosened, which I have here, and this bolt came out of it. And I was like, I really don't want to have to put this back in again because it was very long. So I was trying to think of different ways I can put it back, but make it easier. And I've actually found one. So if you do purchase this armrest, you can put in this base plate. So if you watch my original video of me putting it in, you'll see everything that comes with it. If you put in this base plate first, without anything else, you can put these screws in to that one and that one there very easily. And then you put in that one as well. Then this is solid. Then on the side of this, well, then on the back, it looks like this. It's not going to look like this because there's going to be a plastic cover there, which is here. But this plastic cover that fits on right here, you can pop this off because there's little bits there and little clips here. And when you pop that off the side, you'll see that hole. And then this screw that I said loosened goes into this hole, which is there. And then you put it over this, and then this part here connects onto this side, and you put the screw through here. So let me just put the armrest over this so I can demonstrate what I mean. So you'll put it on there like that. I'm just holding it there for the time being. Then you can just easily put the screw in here and screw it in through the side, and then just pop that cover back on, and then the armrest is installed. And it's so much easier doing it this way than the way that I did it in my video. So if you're watching this, you're welcome, because I might have just saved you a bunch of hassle. There we have it. I've just put it back on. You can see, nice and sturdy again. All done within 5 minutes this time. So much easier this way. So if you guys did enjoy this video, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. Until next time, peace.